Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do is replace the brake band on a Husqvarna 435. Yeah, 435. Came in the mail. We just got it in. Alright, I've already taken it apart. This is the old brake band that busted. And this one is the new one. See, the end of it got broke off, so it sits like this. And this piece is setting in here. So we gotta take a screwdriver and get that out. You guys can do this at home. That screw out. This piece comes out. We'll slide this piece right into there. Put the screw back in. Like that. Get all these parts out of here. And this one is going to want to slot right down into that piece there. So let's go ahead and push that down in. Sometimes it takes a love tap to get it drove in there where you want it. And then you just simply get it into that system there. This is going to come out here. We need to, that's the busted piece. That. Now there's supposed to be a little clip. We'll get that when Claude gets here. But that's all you do. You just get your brake band in, get it set in the position. There's a little clip that goes over this. We clip that together, and then it's just simply putting everything back together of where everything goes. Like that. But again, that clip, I don't see it, so we'll have to wait for Claude to get back, see if we can find a clip. See, this is something that you can do. It's not that complicated. We just got her back together. Get the spring in. I use the fat piece here. Get it locked in. Get that locked in. Get your points, this and this, screwed down and locked in. And then it's just simply, there's a clip that goes on that. The cover goes over top of that. And you're all done, and it's just like brand new. So on that note, you guys have a great day.